Before we look at machine learning, let's start with a couple of examples of how humans learn. If someone played a simple trick on us when we were 9 months old. The trick is, they pretend to hold a ball, which is hanging on a thin thread that we can't see. Then, when they let go of the ball, and the ball doesn't fall down, we would be very surprised. The interesting thing is, if we were less than 6 months old, we wouldn't be surprised at all. By 9 months we learn that things that are not supported will fall down. This simple trick shows we learned about gravity on our own. Our family helped us learn too. We saw them point to things and say, cat, dog, and we learned from that to recognize a cat we never saw before. So, we started to recognize things too, before we could talk, just like we learned about gravity. What if we could make a computer learn the same way, just from experience? That is machine learning. Machine learning is making a computer learn to solve a task on its own, without us programming a solution for that task. All we do is implement algorithms that learn from data to solve tasks. The algorithm choice is driven by the specific problem we want machine learning to solve. We will examine them in detail in the videos to come. So how do we actually learn? Whenever we try a new task, we make mistakes. But we learn from the mistakes we make. With practice, we keep getting better at solving that task. Essentially, we learn from trial and error. This is the same strategy used in one of the most successful branches of machine learning. To summarize, we learn a lot from interacting with the world around us, without anyone teaching us. We can do this simply by predicting what is going to happen next in the sensory input streams that flow into our brain. For example, if we see lightning, we expect thunder to follow. We also learn with some help from others, like associating names to people, objects, and things around us. Our pets learn from us in a slightly different way. We occasionally reward our pets with a treat when they listen to us, and that encourages future good behavior. Machine learning adopts all the 3 learning approaches to solve different tasks. First one, learning without any human assistance. Second, learning with some human assistance. And lastly, learning with occasional rewards.